In 1938, an argument over spaghetti spilled from the kitchen into the pages of the newspaper. What follows is her exact recipe, printed in the Albuquerque Tribune on September 30th, 1938, by Mrs. Gaynor Maddox. Rudolph Valentino's recipe annoyed Miss Lena Caniglione of Hartford. "My Italian blood boiled over his way of cooking spaghetti, so will you kindly print this real Italian recipe that real Italians and American-born Italians will say is okay," Miss Caniglione writes. Italian meatballs and spaghetti serves 4 to 6. 1/4 pound ground beef, 3 to 4 pound ground pork, 3 eggs unbeaten, 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 finely chopped clove of garlic, 1 to 2 teaspoons salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons black pepper. Combine these ingredients, mix well, and shape into meatballs. For the second stage, 1 can Italian tomatoes, 1 can Italian tomato paste, 1 to 8 cup olive oil, 1 medium onion, 1 teaspoon salt or mortar to taste, 1 to 2 teaspoon pepper, a lot of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1 pound spaghetti. In large pan, heat olive oil to boiling point. Add meatballs and sear quickly. Remove, chop onion and fry until brown in oil. Then return meatballs, add Italian tomatoes, Italian paste, seasoning and 1 quart water. Simmer for about 2 hours. Plunge spaghetti into rapidly boiling salted water. Cook for from 12 to 15 minutes. Drain, place on a large hot platter and sprinkle with lots of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve meatballs and sauce in separate dish. Miss Caniglione adds that the above recipe is one that her mother used and that her mother came from a small town near Naples.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more forgotten headlines from history. And if you come across an old article worth sharing, drop it in the comments.